Getting the oil changed on the old girl. Uh, I think I still had like 500 miles before it needed an oil change, but I did just put a new clutch in it, so might as well change the oil. So look at that. Big huge pine tree fell right in my yard. We were out here, it was nuts. So yeah, it started storming real bad. My wife and I was in here, and my granddaughter Trinity. And it started cracking, and she took Trinity, picked her up upside down almost, ran out the door that way. I ducked around, and I think I did a circle, and then I ran out straight that way. And yeah, it fell, missed everything. Didn't hit nothing. Thank God. If you look up here, that broke off up there. And then I think it hit this tree and broke it off there. Broke that limb and that branch. Crashing down. And if you look here, see all that black in there? That's a big honeybee's nest. That's a bunch of honey up in there. So I started cutting it up yesterday, and I'm gonna try and get it done this weekend. At least get it out of my yard that I cut. The rest of the woods up here completely messed up. So I can't believe it missed everything. I even have a poop bucket right there of dog poo, and it missed that too. That's crazy. And we got this piece of wood. I'm gonna have to pull it out somehow. That is lodged in the ground like 4 feet. So we got a lot of it taken care of. Really messed everything up. But my wife wanted me to clear this over here anyways, so I guess we're gonna do it. See if I can walk up here and show you some of the honeybee stuff. I don't know nothing about honeybees. I'd like to keep some honey, but so yeah. I guess I could walk around that way, huh? Oof. Yeah. Let's look at all the honey. Ow. These are still flying around it. Oh my. Oh wow. It's quite a bit of honey. Lots of bees. Let's get out of here. Ah. This weekend for sure I'm gonna clear this. This I'll get in time. There's another big one up here. And then one over there too. I'll have to dice them all up. But my main concern is just getting it out of where I cut my grass. So we got pretty lucky. I mean, it was funny too because there was a branch hanging off our clothesline right there. There's also a branch way up there. And this branch here is pretty tedious. If you can run up there. And that up there. I don't know how it got so high up there. Yeah, I gotta get that tree, this tree, this tree. This tree. A lot of these trees I gotta get cut before they do some damage. I got the fusion out, new battery, got my new van. Prepper Dale gave me his van. I thought that was pretty cool. I like it. I like it, but it's got a bad tire, and I had to get a battery for that. Battery for this, oil change. I'll get a tire for that next pay. Drive this for 2 weeks. So, yep, getting your oil changed. Oh, put a T-Sport fairing on. Love it. Love it. Looks awesome. New headlight too, also. Daymaker. Well, it's not really a Daymaker. It's a Daymaker knockoff. But it's bright. Yeah, made my gauges all fit up here. Had to weld the bracket for that. And speedometer is attached to the bracket for this, but it still all comes off. And a little bag here. I put my cell phone and cigarettes and stuff in there. And they don't move. Painted my motor because I hate chrome. The only thing I want chrome, I want to do the shocks black. I'll keep the pipes chrome, rocker box, and the, what would you call it? The faux air filter. If you watch these videos on this bike, you'll know what I mean. It's my 99 Suzuki Marauder. Clapped out when I bought it. Put a lot of work into it to get it where it is now. So we're going to take it for a little ride. Check out a little camping spot. I want to do camping video. I want to go camping, bike camping. But I want to keep it local to try out all my gear, because I've never done it before, and I got some gear I want to try out. So I'm going to go look at some camp spots nearby and try and do a plan for a overnighter close to home just to try out my gear. If everything goes well, we'll do one longer overnighter. Got this fan on, I don't know if you guys can hear that. So I will see you up the road. What's up, everybody? It's been a while since I did a video, and I wanted to ride. Got my T-Sport fairing on my Suzuki, my Harley Davidson. So we're out here at Parker Dam, looking for a little camp spot. So we're gonna start doing some little moto camping here and there. I think I'm gonna try to. So I came up here just to see if I could pick a little spot that I could try and rent. My first time out. I'm gonna stay close to home my first time out. Just to test my gear. And after we test my gear, then hopefully everything works out and we'll be ready for a trip. So I just wanted to make this little video. A lot of stuff has happened lately. I haven't had time to make a video. I guess I'll have to bring firewood. I don't know if I'm allowed to gather firewood here or not. But I can walk around and see if I can get a permit or whatever and walk around and grab some firewood, or we just want to have a fire. One of the two. This is pretty neat. So it looks like they made little tent spots, which is pretty cool. There's a couple trails back here. Couple trails. If I get 100,000 subscribers, I'll ride my motorcycle down that trail. So, seriously though, if I ever get that far on the YouTube. So sorry for letting you guys hang for the last few months. I've just been busy. Stuff's been happening. My grandpa passed away. That was a long couple months there, just watching him starve himself, and it was terrible. But he is at peace now, up there looking down. I thank God. I just thank God I had him for 40 years. Not many people get their grandparents for 40 years. 40, man. I tried to put you down, it just didn't really work. Kept turning my phone off. Anyways, yeah, I had my grandpa for 40 years. It's gonna be a weird summer. He kept me busy. We always had some fun projects that weren't necessarily what I wanted to do, but it was always fun spending time with them, you know, and I guess some days are done now. So thank God for the memories I have for 40 years with that man. My grandpa. Gonna miss him like crazy. So I'm just riding around, trying to take my mind off everything. I'm gonna bring you guys out here. Check this place out. This is Parker Dam State Park. This is up at the campsites. So this, what is this number? What is this, 52? 52 is pretty nice. Take a ride up here, see what else I can find. And then I'll head back. It's supposed to rain. I don't really want to get caught in the rain. I don't know if it's going to rain in the next hour. It was supposed to rain at 7, so we will see. We will see what comes of the rain. I don't know what to talk about. I'm just blabbing on. I haven't made a video. Haven't done a video for a long time. Just put something on here. Just put something out there, you know. So it's finally warm out. Good motorcycle weather today. So I'm gonna hop back on this pig, ride around some more, and I'll catch you guys in a few minutes.